Microbats are pretty hard to track, mainly due to their size and roosting habits. The transmitters are really small, so you can't get a good battery pack on there to put out a great signal like some of the large game. They also fly, which makes them more difficult to track, and it's normally in rough terrain. So to track a bat while it is foraging, we have to follow it in our airplane and listen to the transmitter all night as it moves around. So we have partnered with Wildlife Drones to adapt their current technology to be used on a fixed-wing aircraft. Using the Wildlife Drone system, we are able to track 40 bats at one time simultaneously. Previously, the tracking system we used, we could only listen to one frequency at a time. And when you cycle through, even at like 3 seconds per frequency, there's still a lot of downtime where you could potentially miss a signal. So with Wildlife Drones, we're hoping to become more efficient and more effective in tracking mass amounts of bats. Being able to track 30, 40 bats at once is phenomenal. That'll save a lot of time when you're searching for a lot of bats during the day and give you that confidence that you're not missing one. But their drone technology in general could save ground crews a lot of time. Instead of driving around, hiking up on ridges, listening for where bats could be, if they have a drone with them in the Wildlife Drone technology, they can fly the drone, get triangulation, and have someplace to start to hone in on that tree.